Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Angela. Now today is a super exciting video because it's gonna be the first video of 2022. I wish you guys a happy new year even though it's already mid-February. So I decided for the first video of the year I wanted to film a what's in my bag video. Now I love what's in my bag videos. I feel like these are the OG YouTuber videos, like people showing all the stuff in their bags, and I just love it. Now the most super exciting part of this video is of course the bag, the star of the show, and it's my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. Now this is not the regular Alma BB because the regular Alma BB comes in a monogram canvas and the damier ébène. And this is the monogram canvas, but it's the My Wiltour edition. Now, this is a custom-made handbag by Louis Vuitton, and you can either make it online or you can go to the store and they'll help you design the bag that you want. So the original monogram canvas doesn't come in a treated leather. It actually comes in a untreated leather. So basically what that is like, it's like a raw virgin leather and it patinas over time. It gets darker, and as much as I just love that, I love that look, but somehow I just can't get it over my heart to do that. I think one of the main reasons is that I was just always so scared of having uneven patina. So this is the Alma BB and it literally just looks like, you know, the original monogram canvas, but the difference is that the leather is actually treated leather and it's black. So it doesn't matter if you spill anything on this, like this will stay the same and this will look the same. Even like many years to come, it will just look like this. Now, another detail that I just fell in love with is the inside, and the lining is red. I'm so obsessed. It's the cherry red. For you guys that don't know, the Alma BB in the damier ébène print actually has the cherry red, right? But the original monogram canvas has, I think, brown lining. So I am just obsessed that this is red. I love it so much. Oh, also guys, I'm using a bag organizer. So you really don't have to use a bag organizer for this purse, but I decided to get one mainly because I want to protect my bag. This little bag insert is, I think I got it off Etsy. I'll try to link it in the description box. Okay, so now let's start with what I keep in my bag. So first things first, the first thing that I will put in my bag is my phone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's a really big phone, but it fits perfectly in my purse. The next thing I have is my wallet, and this is from Louis Vuitton. It actually comes in a set. It's the Kirigami Pochette, and it comes in a set of 3. So you have like the biggest one, which I usually use as like a night purse, and then the medium one, and this is the smallest one, and I just use this as my wallet. I usually don't bring cash, so I just have all my cards in here and it works. Next thing is my keys. Now I hold it in this little key pouch. This is the key pouch from Louis Vuitton. This is also in the monogram canvas. I love this little thing. I have my car keys in here and my house keys. And I like that it just zips up like that. So it's just like a little cute purse, but then everything is in here. I feel like ever since I use this, I don't lose my keys anymore because I just learned that it's better to keep your keys all at one place instead of having, you know, different places where you put them and then you just like lose them. So that is my key pouch from Louis Vuitton. I love this so much. Now onto some toiletries slash makeup slash just things that you need in your bag. Now the first thing is my pressed powder from Chanel. I just have this in my bag to like blot, you know, like if I get oily during the day. I don't use this as much, but I mainly also love it for like the mirror that it has. I feel like the mirror is like the perfect size. Now, one of the most important things for me is to always have perfume with me. Now I carry this miniature perfume from Giorgio Armani. This is the Giorgio Armani C. I love this scent. It's like almost done, so I should probably refill it or get a new one. I love this scent because it's like an all-around scent. Like you could wear this for brunch, for like a dinner party, just the whole day. I feel like for all seasons this is good. This is it's like a floral, sweet, sophisticated girl boss. Now the next thing, and no, this is not a perfume, but this is actually hand sanitizer. And I mean, we live in an era where we bring masks, we bring hand sanitizer, we bring like wet wipes, everything. So this bottle, it looks really cute. It didn't come in this. It came in like the ugliest little like plastic, and I just hated it. So a little hack that I did is I bought like a separate perfume bottle, but these ones are really cheap. I got this online. And then I put the hand sanitizer in here so that even though I'm just using hand sanitizer, but it will look like it's just super cute and pretty. I did mention earlier wet wipes, and yes, these are essential. I just don't trust people who don't carry wet wipes. Like you never know when you need these, and I feel like I often do. This is just perfect for in a little everyday bag. Usually after I do my perfume, my hand sanitizer, I use a hand cream, and this is the hand cream that I like to use. It's from YSL Mon Paris, and I love this scent. It's very girly, it's very sweet, kind of fruity. This is more of a fruity instead of floral scent. Anyways, I love this. So I always carry this hand cream around, and if people have dry hands, I'm just like, I got you, you know what I mean? The last 3 items that I carry are all lip products. I'll start from my lip balm, and this is actually a lip conditioner from MAC. This is so good for your lips. So usually I use this before I apply anything else on my lips. The second one that I always have in my bag is like a tinted lip balm. Now this is from a local brand. I live in Indonesia, and this is from Rose All Day. It's a very pretty, it's just like a nude color. This is just my everyday color. I use this after I use the lip balm. You could just use this on your own because it's a tinted lip balm, but I like the extra moisture that the lip conditioner from MAC gives me. Lately, I've been really just like obsessed with lip glosses. And this lip gloss is from Esca. It's another local brand. It's a super pigmented chocolate brown nude lip gloss, and it's what I'm wearing right now. So I love this one. And yeah, that's it. All of that just fits in my little Alma BB. As you guys can see, there's still like room. And this is just my everyday carry. I bring this everywhere with me, and this is just the perfect everyday bag. It can go from into daytime to like nighttime, dinner dates, everything. So that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And for all of you guys who are returning, thank you so much for supporting my channel, watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and check out some links if you want to get anything. And I just wish you guys a very, very awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.